Good afternoon. केवटा आज के ताले तुम्ही क्लास ना
না স্যার আমি তো আপনাকে দেখতে আপনি ক্লাস করাবেন সেটা দেখতে অন হলাম
আর ক্লাস নিতে পাবো Shrenik is actually a new student. Can you hear Shrenik? Hello?
Yes.
You can hear. Say because if you can hear, say that and admit all. Yeah.
Hello?
You can hear?
Yes, sir.
Jigisha?
Yes, sir.
Jigisha can hear. So we have only Jigisha as a new student. Only Jigisha. She is not a new student, means she was my student before, but in this group she is new. She is new for this group, and hearing a lot of background noise. And Shrenik is perfectly new student. Jigisha is not new, but Jigisha is new for this group. Previously, I used to take a class in audio. Via audio, I used to take a class. So she is not new, but for this group, she is new. Shrenik is new. And Munia is also not new. And yeah, Jalpa, she is new. Jalpa Sangvi, she is new. She is a new student, Jalpa. Aja, why I'm hearing so much background noises? Be sure that your room is quiet. If you are hearing so much noises, then I can't conduct a class. From where the noise is coming, I will have to mute one by one. I will have to mute the students one by one to see from where the noise is coming. So Jalpa is a new student. She is Rajita's sister. Shrenik is a new student. And Munia and Jigisha are not new, but they are new for this group. So actually, instead of doing from the prepared lessons, Priyanka, you can just, particularly these new students, can you talk and assess their levels? Priyanka. We have Jalpa, we have Shrenik, they are perfectly new. And Munia is not new. Jigisha is not new, but they are new for this group. Previously, I used to take audio class, voice call. So Priyanka can just, particularly for Shrenik and Jalpa, can you just 5 minutes have a conversation and see their level? Priyanka, can you hear? Hello, Priyanka?
Hello.
You can hear? Priyanka, you can hear? Priyanka has a problem in hearing. So welcome, Jalpa. Can you hear? Welcome, Jalpa. Oh, Priyanka has left. I think she has a audio problem and connection problem, network problem. So she has left. She may be joining again. Okay. So particularly Acha, Jalpa, we start with you. Can you tell me something about yourself? Jalpa.
Yes, my name is Jalpa Sangvi. I am living in Lilwa.
Lilwa, yeah.
I am graduate. I am graduate.
Okay. Then anything else? Yeah. Go on. We are hearing. I can hear. Continue. Jalpa, you can continue.
I have two daughters, Yashvi and Tisha.
Okay. And what are they doing, the daughters? What they are doing? How old are they?
One is younger one is 6 years and one is 10 years.
Okay. So actually you can include them also. So, are you working anywhere, Jalpa?
No, I am housemaker.
Housemaker, not housemaker. He's a maker. Okay. Now, Shrenik, I want you to say who you are and what you are doing.
My name is Shrenik Doshi, and I stay to Surat from Gujarat.
I stay in, not I stay to. I stay in.
In
I stay in Surat,
Surat.
okay. Then,
Gujarat.
probably you stay near
And-
Narendra Modi's house. Okay, then.
And I work from kurtis, ladies wear.
What type of job? The company is not important. What kind of job you are doing? Is it accounts or is it
Retail
technical?
shop.
Retail shop? That means you are managing the counters. You are managing the counters?
No, just मतलब मेरा खुद का था पार्टनरशिप
I
में था
understood. Okay.
सेल
You are the-
डिपार्टमेंट
Okay, you are the owner. Okay. Now, what does your retail shop sell? What are the items you sell? What kind of items?
लेडीज वेयर है कुर्तीज
Kurtis. Okay.
है
And
and my side business is life insurance,
okay. No, I'm
Kotak
saying
life insurance.
no. That's okay. No, what I'm asking is you are selling only kurtis or anything else?
Only kurtis and gowns.
Only kurtis and gowns. Hey, Kusum and Biba, anyone wants to buy kurtis? Online order. If anyone wants to buy online order,
No, we don't wear kurtis.
no, Kusum,
No,
Kusum
sir.
and Biba, you are also not wearing. Anyone needs, you can get an online order. Okay. Now, yeah, Priyanka has joined now. You can hear Priyanka. You left and came back.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. Now you conduct a general because some are new students. Yeah, Munia and Jigisha also give a short introduction of yourself. Munia, you can hear?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Yeah. I know about you, but the other group, they don't know you. So just give a short introduction. I know about you, but say that. Yeah.
My name is Munyaka Lavandu. I live in Murshidabad and I read in class 10.
Read in class 10. Okay, then. Anything else? What are your hobbies? What do you like?
I like to drawing, dance.
I like drawing or I like to draw. I like drawing or I like to draw. Any one thing. Then.
I like to drawing.
Again,
and
you are saying,
dancing.
what did I say? I like drawing, not I like to drawing. I like drawing.
I like drawing and dancing.
Dancing, okay. We have video, you can dance. If you want to dance, we can see. We have a video. You want to dance now?
No.
Okay. Then Jigisha, you can say something about yourself.
I'm Jigisha Hajra. My parents are Sunil Hajra and Bashanti Hajra. I'm a student of Bashanti High School. I read in class 9.
When you say after full stop, stop for 1 second. I'm Jigisha, then stop for 1 second, then say after every full stop, you have to stop. Full stop.
Okay, sir.
Say again. Again. Stop after every full stop. Say again, Jigisha. I am Jigisha. Then take a pause. Stop. Then say I am in class 9. You are going like a Toronto tree. Yeah, say. Say Jigisha once again. Say what you are saying.
Okay, sir. I'm Jigisha Hajra. My parents are Sunil Hajra and Bashanti Hajra. I read in class 9 in Bashanti High School. I live in South Chowbish Parganas at Canning.
And your likes and hobbies?
Yes, I like drawing, reading storybooks, gardening,
Hmm.
reciting.
Okay, you have a garden?
Sir, small garden.
Small garden, okay. And what are the things you grow in the garden?
Various flower trees like roses, dahlias, petunia, gardenias. Actually, season flowers.
Okay, very good. Now, Priyanka, you can do a bit. You can continue with them for 5 minutes. Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
continue. General conversation because some are new and some are old. So afterwards, we'll be starting this lesson. Start.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, let me introduce myself. So, my name is Priyanka Ghosh. I'm from Calcutta. I'm 20 years old and I'm a student of communicative English. I study in Ashutosh College. And there are some hobbies of mine like I like to dance. I like to listen to songs and all. And who said that he lives in Murshidabad? Um, I'm
Munia.
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 Acha, acha, okay. So my village home is also in Murshidabad.
Oh.
I'm not actually from Murshidabad. I'm born in Calcutta, but my village home is in Murshidabad.
Which place?
Kandi. You know?
I know, but my place is not there. I live
Okay, so where do you live exactly?
I live at Jolangi block.
Acha, acha, okay. And what about
Yeah, say. You're going to say something. Hello, Priyanka. You're going to say something? Hello. Priyanka? Again, our audio went off. Yeah, Priyanka, you can hear? Hello. Priyanka?
hello, sir?
Yeah,
Hello.
continue. Yeah, you're going to say something?
Audio problem.
Audio problem, yeah. No, it's okay. Now you can continue. You're going to say something.
No, I'm just asking what about the rest of the people?
Yeah, what about the rest of the people? Yeah, all of you, so one by one, just give your introduction to. She's actually our teacher, and in fact, our best teacher. So you can actually one by one you can give your introduction. First, Munia has said, Pratibha, just 2-3 lines. Give your introduction. Just 2 or 3 lines. You are new to Priyanka. Priyanka is new here. She's not new for me, but she's new for you. Pratibha, can you hear? Yeah. Just
Yes,
2-3
sir.
lines. Just 2-3 lines. Okay.
My name is Pratibha Chaudhary. I live in Howrah.
Yeah. Then.
I am graduate from Calcutta of University of Calcutta. And I am
Okay.
29 years old.
I am a graduate. Okay. I am a graduate. And you can also, I am a graduate. Okay. Then we have Jigisha. Jigisha, you said once, but say just 2 or 3 lines again.
Once again.
Yeah, once again. Priyanka ma'am did not hear.
Okay, sir.
And did you say
I am
good afternoon?
Jigisha Hajra.
Huh?
What, sir?
Did you say good afternoon to ma'am?
No, sir. Sorry. Good afternoon, everyone.
Priyanka is your teacher. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am Jigisha Hajra. I live in South Chobis Parganas. I read in class 9 in Bashanti High School. My parents are Mr. Sunil Hazra and Mrs. Bashanti Hazra, and my own house is also in Howrah.
And when you are talking in English, don't say Chobish Pargana,
24 PGS.
not PGS, say Parganas. We write PGS, we don't say PGS, you see Parganas. Okay, then Vibha. Vibha, you can hear?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am Vibha Chaudhary. I live in Howrah. I am a student of archaeology and I love reading.
Okay, you love to read every book, like story books and your books which related to your syllabus.
Crime fiction.
Crime
Mostly.
fiction.
That's
Okay, crime fiction.
interesting.
You read in English or you read in Hindi?
In English. Both
English?
languages.
Okay, what are the stories you have read? At least one or two authors. Have you been reading Sherlock Holmes?
Yes, Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes and Agatha Christie and all that you have been reading, Nancy Drew. Nancy Drew, Agatha Christie. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why
Who's
you are
your favorite
speaking so slowly? Who is your favorite author? In crime fiction.
Who is, sir, what?
In crime fiction, who is your favorite author or writer?
Sidney Sheldon.
Sidney Sheldon. That means you read quite a difficult level of English. Okay. Then
He is my book, all my books.
and all my books in plural books. I want. And Priyanka, one thing I believe we were talking that day. She went on a digging expedition, archaeology expedition, and she was digging, and that was her birthday. On her birthday, she was doing this. That last class we were doing. Okay, then Shrenik, you can say something to ma'am. First say good afternoon, ma'am. Then say.
Good afternoon,
Shrenik.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, my name is Srenik Doshi, and I stay in Surat, in Gujarat,
Okay.
and I also work from kurtis, ladies
Don't
wear,
work. You don't
retail
work
shop.
from Kurti. You have a retail shop. They sell Kurti. Don't say I work from Kurti. Okay.
Yeah,
Don't work. Yeah. You have a retail shop, or you can say I deal in Kurti. Deal in. Having business.
And-
Deal in. I deal in Kurti. Okay, done. Next.
okay, and I also agent from Kotak Life Insurance.
He is also a part-time agent of insurance. Okay.
Yeah, part-time agent for Kotak Life Insurance and Religar Health.
Okay. Then who is left as a Kusum? Did you say anything? No. Kusum did not say, right?
Yes, sir.
Say that.
What's
I am Kusum Chaudhary. I am 21. Sir, can you hear?
Yeah,
Hello,
I can
ma'am.
hear.
Yes.
I can hear.
I can hear. And I am a student of accountancy and finance. I live in Howrah. And I like reading books. Okay, you also like reading books? Yes, ma'am.
Actually, she is
Okay.
Vibha's sister. Priyanka, she is Vibha's sister.
Okay.
They live in the same house.
Okay.
But one will be in one room, one will be in balcony, one will be on the roof. Like that. At the same time. They always are separate. Okay. Then who else is left? All of you have finished?
Yes, sir.
No, Jalpa is finished. And Acha, Aparajita is also there. Na? Sorry, Aparajita is doing because actually both of them are doing it on one phone because Aparajita's phone broke. Aparajita, she told me that my phone was damaged, so she and Jalpa will be doing together. So yeah, Aparajita. Yeah, Aparajita? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, Anuradha here.
Say. Sorry. Anuradha, yeah. Anuradha's sister, actually, Anuradha's phone broke. Isn't it? Your phone broke, right?
Yes, sir.
And both of them are doing from one phone. She and Jalpa.
From one
They are doing from one phone. So that's why I did not find the name here. Okay. Anuradha, sorry.
So,
Right then. Yeah, Anuradha.
Lopamudra
Say.
ma'am wants to get in.
Okay, sure. Sorry. Yeah, I often forget that people want to get in. I'm not getting that. No, here I'm not getting the. No, here there's no request. She wants to get in. She's not able to connect. I've opened that one, but and Biba, your audio is off. Biba, the audio is off. I'm not able to. No, she has not joined. Maybe she is having a. I've opened the participant window, so if she joins, I can know. But till now, I don't see her. Okay, I'm not seeing her. My participants window is open, so if she comes, I will see that. But till now, she has not been able to connect. Yeah, Anuradha, please go on. Come, Anuradha. We were talking about your food habits. She's a Jain. She does not eat underground vegetables. She does not eat potato. We were talking that day. Okay, Anuradha, you come.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, say something about yourself to Priyanka. You're new to Priyanka. You're not new to me, but you're new to Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
So just 2 or 3 lines. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
We are in Anuradha from Kolkata. I live in Goa. I'm doing job right now. As my designation is HR.
শব্দ আসছে না তো তুই যদি নেটওয়ার্ক করিস না
Okay, so can you hold your microphone near to you? Because you are not clearly audible to me.
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Anuradha. Come. Hello, Anuradha. Can you hear? Hello, Anuradha.
Yes, sir.
Say. You are saying something. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Now
Yes,
it's
yes,
clear.
I can hear you now.
Now it's very clear.
Hello.
Yeah, say. Yeah,
Please
we can
continue.
hear.
I can hear you now.
All of us
Okay,
can hear you.
okay, ma'am. Can I start again?
Yeah, you can
No,
start
you
again.
start when you can resume. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
You can continue. Ma'am. You don't have to repeat what you said. Continue.
I love to travel hilly areas and love to singing also.
I love to sing, but I love to sing.
I love to
can.
sing. Okay.
I love to sing, or you can say I love singing. Anything you can say. I love
Okay.
singing,
I
or I love
love singing or traveling.
singing and traveling. Particularly, she likes to travel in hilly places. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this one we did, but we have to do it for the new students. So Priyanka will read out the thing as a demo, and then you all have to repeat. Okay. This is. Can you see all of you? The screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes sir
All of you can see. So you will have to repeat this one by. Priyanka will read once as a demo. Then you can all repeat. These are the things. Useful expression. They have done. The old group has done it, but then for those who are new. So this one, yeah. On what occasion you say, and Priyanka just a demo, then they can start.
Okay, sir. Okay, so number B, I'm reading. What What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met. Another one. It's J, okay? That would be fine. I'm saying it. That would be fine. Next. May I make a call, please? Next. I'd like to come, but I have my exams. So should I read more? All
One
of
or two
these.
more. All of you will say, do you want ma'am to read more, or now you can do it?
Anything, sir. What do you want? I have no problem.
I'm asking the students. Yeah, I'm asking the learners group, all of you. Do you want ma'am to read
Okay.
more, or you can do it now? All of you. Anuradha, Jalpa,
Yes, sir.
Stenik, all of you. You want ma'am to read more sentences, or now you can follow? What do you want?
No, sir, we will follow.
You didn't follow.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, then. You do one thing, Priyanka, you read all the things. Anyway, I have
Okay,
to
sir.
send it to.
Okay, sir. Then
I
I'll
need
start
it.
from the first.
Okay, she's reading one by one from the beginning. All of you, just pay attention.
नहीं बोलना है जैसे यहाँ पे हम लोग रुक सकते हैं may I
You can,
Thank you.
if it is causing disturbance, you can mute your microphone for some time. When ma'am finishes, then you can again unmute your mic. Yeah, Priyanka, start.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your beautiful present. What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met. Many happy returns of the day. Please visit us again whenever you can. I beg your pardon. Excuse me, please. See you again Sunday next. That's right. I'm sorry, I'm late. That would be fine. May I make a call, please? I'd like to come, but I have my exams. I'm held up in a traffic jam. I'll be there in about 10 minutes. Sorry, he or she is not at home. Would you call later? I cannot come. I have a high fever. How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome. Could you wait for some time, please?
Okay, now from the beginning. So the order we have, I'm reading out. Yeah, Jalpa, first read at least two of them.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your beautiful present. What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met. Many happy returns of the day. Please visit us again whenever you can.
Please visit us again.
I
Should we
beg.
together? Hello, 1 minute. Please
Please
visit us again whenever you can.
Please visit us again whenever you can.
Very good.
I beg your pardon.
I beg your
Excuse
pardon.
me, please. I beg your pardon. Excuse me, please. See you again Sunday next. That's right. I am sorry, I am late. That would be fine. May I make a call, please? I did like to come, but have my exam.
I'd like to come.
I would like.
I would like to come, but I have my exam. I am held up in a traffic jam.
Held up. Don't say
I
held
will
up.
be
Held
there.
up. Held up.
Held up. I am held up. I am held up in a traffic jam. I will be there in about 10 minutes.
Very good.
Sorry, he or she is not at home. Could you call me later? Could you call later?
No, it's okay. Even
I
if you
cannot
make
come. Later. Okay. I cannot come. I have a high fever. How hot is it?
hot it is. How hot it is.
How hot is it? Some rain would be welcome.
Rain
Could
would
you
be
wait for some? Could you wait for some time, please?
When you say put emphasis on it, some rain would be welcome, and even a little rain would be welcome. Some rain would be welcome. Okay, next, Jalpa, then Jigisha. Alphabetical order. Come. Jigisha, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
And read it in the same way as ma'am showed you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you for your beautiful present. What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met. Many happy returns of the day. Please visit us again whenever you can.
Please visit us again. Akshonge, tapare, whenever you can. Please
Okay,
visit
sir.
us again.
I beg your pardon.
Beg.
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please. Yeah, say.
See
Go on,
you
say.
again Sunday next. That's right. I'm sorry I'm late. That would be fine. May I make a call, please? I'd like to come, but I have my exams.
Okay.
I'm held up in a traffic jam. I'll be there in about 10 minutes. Sorry, he or she is not at home. Could you call later?
Hey, Jigisha, one minute. Sorry, ki jhoda kuch na ki. Sorry, the way you are saying as if you are fighting with someone. Sorry should be like sorry.
Okay, sir.
Sorry.
I cannot come. I have a high fever.
Fever. Here.
How hot?
Here, fever.
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 Fever. It's fever.
Fever.
How hot it is. How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome.
Okay.
Some rain would be welcome.
Very good.
Could you wait for some time, please?
Could you wait, action over for some time, please, action. Could you wait for some time, please?
Okay,
Jigisha,
sir.
could you wait?
Yes,
action
sir.
there. Yeah. Could you wait, action this for some time? Repeat. Could you wait?
Could you wait for some time, please?
Okay. Next, we have, now both of these were new students. Actually, they have done very well for the first time because they have not done it before. Munia?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What?
Thank you for your beautiful present. What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met. Many happy returns of the day. Please visit us again whenever you can. I beg your pardon. Excuse me, please. See you again Sunday next. That's right. I'm sorry I'm late. What would be fine?
That would be fine.
Oh, sorry. That would be fine. May I make a call, please? I would like to come, but I have my exam. I am held up in a traffic jam. I will be there in about 10 minutes.
Very good.
Sorry. He or she is not at home. Could you call later?
Okay, when you were saying sorry in this line, no, just lower your tone a little bit.
How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome. Could you wait for some time, please?
Sorry, नहीं तो मैम की बोल रहे हो. Listen to that.
Sir, बोझा ही नहीं. Sorry.
Okay, so I was saying, when you were saying sorry, just lower your tone a little bit.
Sorry, sorry, moto lage mai. To lower politeness. Lower. Sorry.
Sorry, he or she is not at home. Would you call later?
Okay, that's good.
When others say, you don't have to say he or she. Say any one thing. Either say he is
Okay.
not at home. Anyone can use. Okay. Then next is Aja Pratibha. They have done. So Aja Shrenik. Shrenik he has not done because he is new. Then I'll come to old student can do later. I want the new student to do. Yeah, Shrenik.
Yes, sir.
Have you
Thank
heard
you
them?
for,
Have you heard what ma'am was saying? Try to say in that way. You know, in our organization, ma'am is a genius. We have got actually one or two genius. Ma'am is one of the genius. So try to follow her as much as you can. Even I am following her. Okay.
No, sir.
okay,
I am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Say.
Okay, I will start.
Yeah. Yeah. Start.
Okay. Thank you for your beautiful presents. What a pleasure
Wait.
surprise.
One. Thank you. Then you are thank you for. Then you are saying your no. Thank you. Action. It's up for your beautiful present. It's thank you
Okay.
for your beautiful present.
Thank you for your beautiful present.
Okay. Very good.
What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we meet.
Okay, you are new, but it
Since
should
we
look like a
met.
surprise. Since we met, not meet. Met. Past tense. It's a long time since we met. Meet नहीं है. Meet में MW होता है. इसमें एक तो E है. So and what a pleasant surprise. अच्छा ठीक है वो tone
What
छोड़ो.
a
What a pleasant surprise. थोड़ा surprise जैसे बोलो.
what a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we meet.
Again meet. You are
Since we
saying
met.
met.
अब जो मीट बोल रहे हो ना उसका पास्ट टेंस से ये मेट.
एक तो E है. देखो.
मतलब हम लोग बहुत पहले मिले हैं, आज फिर से मिल रहे हैं, इसीलिए since we met.
What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met.
Met है.
Yeah.
हाँ, met है. Pet जानता है ना? P-E-T pet. जो कुत्ता बिल्ली होता है. Pet. उसी तरह से met. Met.
Met.
Yeah, met. एक तो ये है, that is a past tense of meet. Then,
Many happy returns of the day.
okay.
Please visit again whenever you can.
Can नहीं है, can. Please visit us again whenever you can. Can नहीं, can है C-A-N-E. Can. C-A-N-E, can होता है. ये can. Can.
You can.
Please
Okay.
visit us again whenever you can. Yeah, say that again.
Please visit us again whenever you can.
Very good.
I beg your pardon.
I beg your pardon. एक शब्द. I beg your pardon.
I beg your pardon.
Hmm. I beg your
Excuse me,
pardon.
please.
Okay.
See you again Sunday next. That's right. I am sorry I am late. That would be fine.
After saying each, एक second रुक जाओ. हाँ, बोलो. After saying one sentence, एक second रुक के next बोलो. हाँ, बोलो. Continue. I'm sorry, I'm right. The next one.
I'm sorry I'm right. I'm late. That would be fine. May I make a call, please?
Yeah.
I would like to come, but I have my exams.
Would को उतना जोर मत दो. I would like to come. Would में जोर नहीं है. I would like to come. Like में जोर. I would like to come.
I would like. Okay.
I would like to. Would हल्का से बोलो. I would like to come.
I would like to come, but I have my exam.
Have भी हल्का से बोलो. But I have my exam.
I have my exams. I am held up in a traffic jam.
I am held up in a traffic jam. Okay.
I will be there in about.
Say, I'll be there in about 10 minutes.
I will
I'll
be there in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Sorry, she is not home. Could you call later?
She is
Is
not
at home.
At home. She is not at home. At हल्का से होगा. She is not at home. Could you call later?
Not at home. Could you call later? I cannot come. I have a high fever. How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome.
Yes, exclamation mark. How hot it is. How hot it is.
How
What,
hot
yeah.
it is.
Some rain.
Some rain would be welcome. Could you wait for some sometime please.
Could you wait extra for some time, please? Extra. Could you wait
Could you wait for
for
some
some
time
time?
please?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Priyanka, this is the first class. This is the first class, so actually,
Okay, okay, sure.
okay.
Okay.
So who is left now? Now we our so look up. Yeah, Kusum and Viva now one by one. Yeah, Kusum and Viva, you don't have to read all the thing. Kusum will read 4, Viva will read 4, and then Pratibha will read 4. Just for a fast. Because you have done this. Yeah, follow.
Thank you for your beautiful present.
Very good.
What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met. Many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns.
Many happy returns of the day. Please visit us again whenever you can.
Please visit us again whenever you can. इस तरह से
Whenever
बोलो
you
जो
can.
आदमी वापस आए. Please visit us again. ऐसा बोलो कि उसको वापस आने का इच्छा करे. नहीं तो वो भाग जाएगा. Please visit us again whenever you can.
Visit us again whenever you can.
Okay,
I
next.
beg your pardon.
Okay, next. Who was who कौन बोला? Viva. Who was saying? अभी तक कौन बोला? Who was saying this? Pratibha. Now Viva. And then question. Yeah, 4-5 तो बोल दो फिर question बोले.
Thank you for your beautiful present. What a pleasant surprise. It's a long since.
अरे
It's
फिर वही
long
बोल
time
next
since.
से बोलो ना. I beg your pardon बोला था ना और last नहीं please वहाँ से I beg your number E से बोलो. Same.
Excuse me,
Okay,
please.
I have one thing to say.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
she
Yeah.
was saying what a pleasant surprise, there should be a gap, okay? Whenever you are saying what a pleasant surprise, there should be a gap. Can you see that hyphen? That means a small gap, okay? Then you can say the later bit.
What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met.
हाँ, better. अब सर ने जो बोला वहाँ
Gap
से.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. It doesn't matter. Okay, बोलो.
Excuse me, please. See you again Sunday next. That's right. I am sorry. I am late.
Very good.
That would be fine.
Okay,
I
next.
make a call.
May I make a call, please? Question rising to me बोलना. May I make a call, please?
May I make a call, please?
Okay, next. Kusum was saying, na? Who was saying this one? No,
Yes,
Pratibha was saying. Huh? Pratibha was saying, na Kusum. You stay from that next one. I would like to come.
Okay, sir.
Number L, sorry.
I'd like to come, but I have my exams. I held up in a traffic jam.
I am held.
I
I am
am
held up in a traffic jam.
Okay.
I'll be there in about 10 minutes. Sorry, she's not at home. Could you call later?
सॉरी इस तरह से बोल रहा है ना जैसे किसी को मैंने मजाक कर रहा है. सॉरी ऐसे बोलो. सॉरी जैसे बोल रहा है.
Sorry, she's not at home. Could you call later?
बोलो.
I cannot come. I have a high fever.
अरे सॉरी वाला फिर से बोलो. तुम्हारा सॉरी हुआ नहीं.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, she's not at home. Could you call later?
Okay. Then.
I cannot come. I have a high fever. How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome.
So how hot जैसे बोलो. How hot it is.
How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome. Could you wait for me sometime, please?
No, there's no me.
Sorry. Could you wait for some time, please?
Afterwards, if you get time, you can talk to her about her diet habits. They have got a lot of interesting things. They won't eat potato because that grows underground. In 1 month, for 5 days, they don't take any vegetables. Leave that cereals and dal. and rice. They have got some interesting habits. Then rather you can read something and then Jalpa has joined. Okay. Jalpa, you can hear? Hello. Okay, who was saying Anuradha is also, both of them will join together. Jalpa, hello, can you hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you read this one or you did not read?
Yes, sir.
You have finished reading this one?
Yes, sir. I am finished.
Yeah, okay, then Anuradha, yeah. Anuradha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start.
Start from beginning, sir.
Yeah, start. Hello, Anuradha, can you hear?
Thank you for your beautiful present. What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met.
Very good.
Many happy returns of the day.
Okay,
Please visit us again whenever you can.
very good.
I beg your pardon.
Don't say beg, I beg.
Excuse
That's
me,
different.
please.
I beg your pardon. Not I beg, I beg your pardon.
I beg your pardon. Excuse me, please. Can you see you again Sunday next?
Hmm.
That's right. I am sorry. I am late. Sir, read more.
Yeah, you can read if you want. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Well, you're reading very
It would be fine.
beautifully.
May I make a call, please? I would like to come, but I have my exam. I am held up in a traffic jam. I am held up in a traffic jam.
If you can't say together, you
I
say
will-
I'm held up in a traffic. I'm held up one part, then after then you can say in a traffic jam. You can break it into two parts. I'm held up in a traffic jam. Yeah,
I am held up in a traffic jam.
yeah. That's very good.
I will be there. I will be there in about 10 minutes. Sorry. He is not at home. Could you call later? Can you come? I have a high fever.
I cannot come. I have a high fever. I
Say,
cannot
I'm
come.
here, but I can't see her.
I cannot
My
come.
participant.
I cannot come. I have a high fever. How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome. Could you wait for some time, please? Ma'am, over.
Okay, over.
Yeah.
Lopamudia
As I
is
said before,
sending me WhatsApp. Please let me in, but I can't see her in my participant this one. My participant, I can't see her request. Well, it will be at the top if it is there.
স্যার ওটা তো অনেকক্ষণ আগে বলেছিল, ওটাই আমি আপনাকে বললাম।
তখনই তো আমি চেক করলাম, তখন তো ছিল না, আমি তখনও চেক করলাম। Okay. Anyhow, now so actually Priyanka, now you're whatever you want, and one of you, one by one of you, say in alphabetical order, you can say or any order. You want to, what is the occasion? Like, thank you for your beautiful present. When you get a gift, when you get a present, then what are the occasions when you will say? The first one is given, that is when someone gives you a gift or present. Now the second one, what a pleasant surprise, when you will say, Jalpa. We will have the alphabetical order. When will you say? Number B. When will you say? On what occasion?
What a pleasant surprise. It's a long time since we met.
When will you say
So
that?
when do we say this?
Hello?
When do
will
we
you
say this?
On what occasion? When will you say this?
इसको क्वेश्चन बना लेना, आंसर अपने को देना।
when someone give us a present.
That is the first one.
When we meet someone.
After a long time. Not only when you meet someone. If you are meeting every day, you won't say that. If you are meeting someone after many, many years, like 5 years, 6 years, then okay. Then third one.
Lopamudra ma'am saying that she is here now.
I can't see her in my waiting list. I can't see her. तो तुम्हें participants खोलो देखते बच्चे की ना देखो থাকলে তো পারবে আমি দেখে না দেখতে
কোনি
পাচ্ছি না
WhatsApp করলো স্যার কি
না
জানি
আমি জানি আমি তো হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ আমি তো এখানে ওয়েটিং রুমে না দেখলে কি করে অ্যাডমিট করব বল ও তো ওয়েটিং লিস্টে নেই
So you guys continue.
Yeah, you continue. And one by one, don't wait for me to announce the name. Jalpa has said, then Kusum. Jigisha, Jigisha is here? When will you say the next one? Many happy returns of the day. Say fast.
Many happy returns of the day.
When will you say? On what occasion?
When the day will be very memorable to our.
Any day is memorable. Okay. Mainly we say it on birthday. Okay. The next one, Munia. Next one, number D. When will you say that? When will you say that? On what occasion? When will you say that?
Okay. When some guests visit us, visit in our home.
Yeah, visit our home, not visit in our home. Visit our home. Then you will say at the time of parting, when they are leaving at that time. When they are going away, at that time you will say. Okay. I beg your pardon. Next one, that is Pratibha. I beg your pardon. When will you say that? Pratibha. I beg your pardon.
I want to hear again.
Yeah, you want someone to repeat. Okay. You did not hear properly. You want someone to repeat that again. Then next one,
Yes, sir.
after Pratibha, then you have Digisha said. Kusum said that. No. Kusum, did you say that?
No sir.
Okay, then no. Once you are saying yes, sir. Once you are saying no, sir. Okay, Kusum. Then next one. Excuse me, please. When will you say that? Excuse me, please. When will you say that?
So when I want someone to give me away.
Give me way or and one more occasion. That's one thing. When something else also.
When I want to talk to someone and I want so that.
When actually you want to draw the attention of someone. Someone
Yes,
you have gone to Surat to buy a kurti and Shrenik is not looking at you, then you say that. Okay.
Yes,
if you go to Surat to buy a kurti and Shrenik is not looking at you, he is looking at somewhere else, he is counting the money, how many crore rupees he has got, he is counting the money, then you say that. The customer is standing and Shrenik is not looking at the customer, he is counting the money. So at that time you can say that. To draw someone's attention. Okay. Next one, then Shrenik. Biba will say this. See you again Sunday next. When will you say that? Biba.
When I am going to meet someone again.
You plan to meet someone again or you have planned? Not you are going. It is almost that both of you have decided to meet. Okay. Then Shrenik. That's right.
Yeah.
When will you say that?
That's right.
When will you say that? I know that's right. What is right? When will you say that? I want the occasion. Like something you say on birthday, someone you say when you meet after many years. When will you say that?
That's right.
That's right. When will you say? Yeah.
You say anything for about future.
Future. You are
Not
going
for
for
future. This is actually a form of agreement that I agree to you. That's
I
right.
agree to your proposal or I agree with you. Future, are you reading astrology or what? Future? When I say something, which is, for instance, next time I meet you, I ask, Shrenik, I think you have a kurti shop. What will you say? That's right. But I will say, I think you are also a life insurance agent. You will say, that's right. Something I am saying, and you want to say yes. This is another way of saying yes. Yes, it is like that. Whatever you say is correct. Yes, it is. another way of saying yes, it is. Understood? Shrenik? Like
Yes, yes.
Shrenik, I think this is your first class. Shrenik?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't say yeah, say that's right. Say that's right. If I say I think this is your first class,
When
you'll
sir
say
is
that's
asking
right.
something, no, whenever you are saying yes, say that's right instead of yes. Okay.
Instead of yes, you can say
Yes.
that's right. Okay? Okay. Like if
Yes.
I ask Jalpa also that I think today is your first day, Jalpa.
Yes, sir.
Again, yes, sir. Say that's right.
That's right.
Anuradha, I think your phone is broken.
Yes, sir. That's right.
All of you are forgetting. Okay. And next, that would be fine. Who will say that? Any of you? I think all of you have finished. Biva, you have finished. Yeah.
So you
Anyone?
missed the previous one.
Which one?
I'm
I
sorry, I'm
missing.
Sorry, I'm late.
I'm sorry, I'm late. Okay. When will you say that? Is easier. Yeah. Say that. When will you say that? I'm sorry, I'm late. When will you say fast?
When we go late in school or office.
Okay. When you're late for something or anything, or later in school, office, party, or even if you join here late, then hope you don't have to say that to me at least. You join promptly. The next one, that would be fine. Anyone can say. Now I'm not mentioning any name. Anyone who can say that would be fine. When would you say that? Fast. Munia,
Sir, when
Jigisha,
anybody suffering from sick or
when you are
fever,
suffering, that would be fine. Means when you are suffering from sick, that is fine.
no, sir. No,
Yeah. Who is saying that one?
no,
What's the
yes,
name?
yes,
Who is that? Who is that? What is the name? Who is speaking? See, first of all, I am suffering from sick is not okay. You have to say I am suffering from sickness. I am suffering from sickness. I am suffering from malaria. I am suffering from typhoid. I am suffering from flu. I am suffering from fever. I am suffering from sickness. Not I am suffering from sick. You know, and that is not. That's obviously not fine. Okay. Then it is fine. That
Sir.
would be fine. Yeah.
Hello.
Say. Yeah. I can hear. Say.
हाँ, मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ कि आप थोड़ा बहुत कुछ हिंदी में बोल सकते हो बीच में,
हिंदी क्लास
साथ
कराना है?
में कुछ.
हाँ, हिंदी में बोलेगा, तुम गुजराती में बोलो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. On what occasion do you say may I call please? कब बोलता है? अब तुमको हिंदी में क्या है? तुम तो उतना भी खराब नहीं इंग्लिश में, more or less तुमको तो नॉलेज है. जो एकदम नहीं जानता है for them भी इससे, but for you know English. ना तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तुम्हारा.
मतलब इतना सारा इंग्लिश में कभी बात नहीं किया था ना, इसलिए.
इसीलिए तो यहाँ पर आया ना. अगर बात करता तुम यहाँ पर आता. यहाँ पर
हाँ,
join
वो तो
करता.
है.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. तुम्हारा जहाँ प्रॉब्लम होगा बोला. हम लोग हिंदी में नॉर्मली नहीं बोलते. जिसका प्रॉब्लम होगा वहाँ पर किसी कहीं पर भी प्रॉब्लम
Okay, sir.
होगा तब बोलेगा. नहीं तो हम हिंदी में बोलेगा तो इंग्लिश नहीं सीखेगा. So we will be talking in English. जहाँ प्रॉब्लम होगा वहाँ पर हिंदी, मराठी, गुजराती, उर्दू सब बोल देगा. लेकिन जहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम होगा, we have गुजराती तो 3 आदमी है. गुजराती तो अरे जल्पा है, अनुराधा है, सैनिक है, बहुत सारे गुजराती है. नरेंद्र मोदी का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यहाँ बहुत है. कोई नहीं. Okay. So that would be fine. When will you say that? This occasion. When will you say that? On what occasion do you say that? That's what I want to know. That would be fine. When, on which situation will you say that? Situation will you say?
So when something is not good, it will be
Not
fine.
good, that
Like,
would be fine. नहीं. That would be fine. मतलब you agree to the proposal. जैसे हम बोला ना. जैसे हम बोला हाँ. Now I can see Lokomotra. Okay. Now I can see Lokomotra.
Sir,
Yes,
she's
yeah,
not
yeah.
added. First.
No, I just now added. No, connection time. I have added. No, look, actually it takes time for connection. Lokomotra, you can hear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
अरे तुम्हें आपने अगर वेटिंग लिस्ट देखनी है ना तुम्हें यस तुम्हें व्हाट्सएप को जो आई एम वेटिंग बट এখানে আমার वेटिंग লিস্টে তো তোমার নাম দেখালে তুমি অ্যাডমিট করব वेटिंग লিস্টে নামই তো দেখাবে वेटिंग লিস্টে
মানে
তোমার
স্যার
নাম থাকলে
at least 4 to 5 times today.
but I mean, the waiting list, hey, Priyanka should pada hochila. Waiting list ऊपर नाम देखा भी देना, only I can click admit. नाम ही तो देखा चिरा तुम्हारा. नाम देखा ना.
তাহলে কেটে যাচ্ছে স্যার কেটে
केटे
যাচ্ছে
जाते, okay. बार केटे जाते, but network problem है. Sorry. So yeah, that my local right I बोले तो join करें. That would be fine. On what occasion would you say that? We have to see the occasion.
Can I say so?
Yeah. We were dealing with expressions like thank you for your beautiful present, many happy returns of the day on birthday, returns of the day on birthday. So when will you say this? That would be
when will we say thank you sorry when would we say it might take time
no, that would be fine. J, number J. Serial number J.
That would be fine, yeah. When I'm satisfied with something, like maybe I have scheduled a Zoom meeting for 2:00 today, but then someone wants it preponed or postponed. It's my bill.
Okay, right. Let's say. Okay. Like, okay, all of you. Like, did you understand what ma'am said? Hello, ma'am, क्या बोला? समझ में आया सबको? हेलो, सबको समझ में आया? मैम क्या बोला? नहीं फिर से बोलेगा?
नहीं से फिर से
Ma'am, can
बोलने
you please repeat?
हम बोल रहा है.
I can repeat, of course. Say, I have scheduled a meeting for 2 p.m. today. Okay, but students want the meeting to be held at 2:30, and there is no problem with that. For me, there is no problem with that. I can arrange the meeting at 2:30 also. So I might say that would be fine.
Yeah.
For example, I say when we hope for something good.
When you go for something good, I didn't quite get the context. You hope for something good.
Yes.
Not really hope. Here there is something that is concrete that has to be used.
नहीं, yeah, that would be fine. माने it is another way of saying yes. जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं ना, कल जैसे 3:30 क्लास है तो हम बोले नहीं कल का हमारा काम है, हम 4:30 में करेगा. तो you can say that would be fine. माने हमारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो ठीक है. हम जो प्रपोजल दिया वो ठीक है. हम बोला कल का क्लास 3:30 नहीं करेगा, 4:30 करेगा. तो तुम बोलेगा अगर तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, that would be fine. समझे अभी?
No problem बोलते हैं, उसके जगह में अपने that would be fine.
Yeah, no
Yes,
problem.
you can
That
say
would be
so.
okay. That's okay.
Yes.
So, yeah, you can say it's okay with me. That also you can say. It's okay with me. It's okay with me.
Okay with me, or that would be fine. No problem.
All right. Yeah. So that's it. That would be fine. Shrenik, समझ में आया?
Yeah.
हाँ? That
Yes,
would
sir.
be fine. हाँ. That would be fine. जैसे कल बोला नहीं, कल काम करो तो 5 बजे क्लास करो. अगर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो बोलेगा yes, that would be fine. Okay. The next one we have is may I make a call please? ये तो easy है बोलो. May I make a call please? Anyone?
When we have when I have no phone and
Yeah,
I
very good.
ask someone for
Okay, yeah.
and I
You want to use another's phone. Yeah. You want to use someone's phone to make a call.
If I have no phone.
And by the way, and थोड़ा सा history सुन लो इस sentence का. इस sentence का history है जब मोबाइल फोन नहीं था. मोबाइल फोन नहीं था तो किसी का घर में जाओ या दुकान में जाओ, किसी का फोन से करना पड़ेगा. फोन you can't carry. ये उस टाइम का सेंटेंस. समझे? जब मोबाइल फोन नहीं था तो क्या था? हम तुम्हारा
So this can be put a little more simply. जब कॉल करने का कोई परमिशन भी ना हो, परमिशन लेके कॉल करना पड़ता है तब.
Exactly. नहीं, हम बोल रहे हैं ये सेंटेंस कब का बना है? आजकल तो ऑलमोस्ट मीनिंगलेस हो गया है, सबका पास फोन रहता है. When at that time, when मोबाइल फोन नहीं था तो क्या था? किसी का घर में गया. अब तुम्हारा घर में फोन है तो लेके तो नहीं जाएगा ना. उसका घर में बैठा है तो उसी का फोन से करना पड़ेगा, है ना? हम अगर अनुराधा का घर में बैठा है तो अनुराधा का ही फोन यूज करेगा. तब तो लैंडलाइन था, मोबाइल फोन नहीं था. तो ये उस टाइम में ये बहुत सेंटेंस कॉमन था, मे आई मेक अ कॉल प्लीज, ये उस टाइम का सेंटेंस। मैंने बोल रहा है ये हम लोग का कितना पुराना है, और जो आर्कियोलॉजी वाला है ना, आर्कियोलॉजी वाला बोलेगा कितना पुराना मैंने अंदर से टिक करके मिला है क्या दीपा, एकदम आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट, ये एकदम पुराना महाजो हड़प्पा का टाइम में से मिला है वाला खुदाई
हाँ
करके
सर।
digging करके। ये आजकल नहीं, आजकल सब मोबाइल रहता है, नहीं आ सकता है बट कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, पर नॉर्मली सब कवर। ये है जब लैंडलाइन था, मोबाइल नहीं था, तो उस टाइम में किसी का घर जाने से तो उसी का फोन से करना पड़ता था। दैट्स ओके। I would like to come, but I have exam. Next, who can say? Anyone? Anyone? I'm not pointing out to anyone. Anyone?
When someone call me in her house or I go anywhere else, so I say so.
Someone when has invited you to a party or something, and you want to go, but yeah, you have your exams. Otherwise, you want to go.
Exam.
You can also say, instead of like, you can also say, I would love to come. I would love to come, but I have an exam. Okay. Then
That's right.
next one, I am held up in a traffic jam. That's very common. What occasion? Anyone? It is सबसे simple है. I am held up in a traffic jam. Anyone can say?
When someone called me and he told that please come home, so I said so that.
Yeah, please come on. Yeah, he may be asking why you are late, or you are saying to someone that you would be late. So I am held up in a traffic jam. You are saying that you would be late. Okay. Even ये तो अपना पेरेंट्स को भी बोल सकता है. ट्रैफिक जैम में हो गया तो अपना पेरेंट्स को तो बताना पड़ेगा ना कि देरी से आएगा. At least this much you have.
I can also say
Late for office.
Late for office, yeah.
Sir, I can also say I am stuck in a traffic jam.
Yeah, I am stuck in a traffic jam. Yeah, you can say that. I am held up in a traffic jam. I am stuck in a traffic jam. Yes.
So it can be an excuse to.
Excuse to.
Yes, it can be an excuse
to arrive late. Yeah. It can
Very
also
creative
be an excuse. And then.
Hello, ma'am.
बोलो.
Yes.
Who is saying?
Ma'am, वहाँ पे when I say I'm stuck in a traffic jam, instead of that I was stuck नहीं होगा?
Why not?
Because
If you're
held is
referring
the
to
past
past.
tense, na? Held is past tense.
Held is past tense, no doubt. I
Yes.
am, but it is I am held up. Right? See, am. Focus on am, not held up.
No, I am held up. Instead of that, I will say I was stuck or I am stuck.
When
Whatever I have to
you
say.
can say whatever you want to say depends on the time that you are talking about. If you're talking about, say you have reached home already and you are explaining why were you late. I was
Yes.
held up in a traffic jam or I was stuck up. But if you are answering at that moment, when you are actually stuck in the traffic jam and someone is calling you, you will say I am. It depends on the time.
That was the confusion. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
माने अगर बस में बैठा है तो बोला I am stuck up. अगर घर पहुंच गया तो बोला I was stuck. ठीक है?
If the moment is passes away, then I can use I was.
एक है बस में खड़ा, बस में है तो बस में बैठा है, उस टाइम में तो ट्रैफिक जैम में है ही, और एक है तो घर पहुंचने का बाद. So I am okay. Very good. Then I'll be there in about 10 minutes. Almost same thing. You can say both together. I'm held up in a traffic jam, so I will be there in about 10 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, he's not at home. Could you call later? Anyone?
Sir, when I am on way.
You are on your way, yes. I am on my way. You are on your way, then what happens?
Then I will be in about 10 minutes.
You may be late about 10 minutes, yeah. You are on your way and you are likely to reach in 10 minutes. अंदाज है, पहुंच भी सकता है, नहीं भी पहुंच सकता है, but तुम्हारा estimate है, you are likely to reach in 10 minutes. Okay, very good. Now I am saying the next one. Sorry, he is not at home. Could you call later? The next one. Sorry,
When
he is
my
not.
mother of
Say when your mother.
When my mother or father left phone in home.
When my mother or father, उसके बाद क्या बोला?
When my mother or father left phone in home.
At home.
Is their phone at home? She's trying to say the mother or the father left the phone at
They
the
have left
house
home.
and
They
she
are-
has picked up the phone.
Okay. Ajay, when your mother or father is not at home, that's what you mean, right?
Yes.
When your mother or father is not at home and someone is asking for your mother or father, right? Or same thing, when someone is asking for you and you are not there, then your mother will say. That also is okay.
Someone is calling me.
It can be that the phone is for you and you are not at home. So your mother is saying, and the phone is for your mother and your mother is not there, so you are saying. Any okay. जिसके लिए फोन है वो नहीं है. Then you can say he is not at home. Could you call later? Okay, very good. जिसको फोन किया वो नहीं है. Either you are not at home and the phone is for you, or your mother is not at home, the phone is for your mother. I cannot come. I have a high fever. This is simple. How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome. Who will say that? How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome. Say that. How hot it is. Some rain would be welcome.
When day is very hot,
When days are very
hope
hot.
is day is very hot, but my hope that rain will come.
No, my hope. My hope. You are hoping for rain. Okay.
Yes.
You want rain.
Yes, I
वो
hope
नहीं होता.
that rain would be come.
Hop नहीं है, hope है. Hop मतलब
Hope.
jumping होता है. Hop करता है ना. Hopping मतलब jumping. HOP hop. It's a hope. HOPE. Hop माने jump. Hop, skip and jump. और hope माने you are hoping for something. Okay. Then, could you wait for some time, please? Could you wait?
When I want someone, or when I want to join with someone.
When you want? Kindly repeat that. Just repeat that sentence. Your sentence.
Join for company.
Yeah, okay. You are asking someone to wait that you will join the company. Okay, very good.
When I want someone's company.
When you want someone's company, or when you want someone is calling you and you want to join them after some time. Yeah, suppose I am going to market and I am calling you. You can say, could you wait for some time? I'll come. That also is there. Or that situation when somebody has come to meet your son or daughter and they are not at home. That also can be. When someone has come to meet your sister and your sister is not at home. That also it can be. Or someone is calling you, okay, let's go to the market. So, could you wait for 2 minutes, please? That also is that in 2 minutes I'll join you. And training can use this sentence. Someone is asking for a red color kurti. Could you wait for some time, please? I'll.
Yeah. My customer is shop, and I will call you. Could you wait for some time, please?
Sometime, please. अगर कुर्ती खोजने में थोड़ा देरी होगा, कहाँ कुर्ती रखा है भूल गया तो फिर. Okay, then you'll need all this. Okay, so Lopamudra, you can read just at least some of them, 4 or 5, or if you can read all the things, just to give a demo. Priyanka gave a demo, but I want 2 or 3 teachers to give a demo. Then they can follow the style which is suitable for them. Just read that, and actually this we can use for others also. Just that part.
Which 4 or 5 should I read, sir?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
From
yeah.
G? From G?
Number G, okay.
See you again Sunday next.
Okay.
We are scheduling a meeting. Or anyone else has any idea? When do you say this? See you again Sunday next.
Any other way of saying, any other occasion?
When you can use this?
When we let our friend, we say so. When we say that.
When you meet your friends, but you're already meeting, or you are leaving your friends. You want to meet again. That's what you meant to say.
Yes.
When you are planning to meet on Sunday, and particularly
yes,
when something is held every Sunday. Supposing we have a class every Sunday, Okay, instead of every day, we have a class every Sunday. So at the end of the class, what will I say? Class रोज नहीं होगा, class खाली Sunday होता है, तो क्या बोलेगा? Sunday का नीचे, so after finishing the class, I will say, we will meet on Sunday next. See you again, Sunday next. So that particularly which happens every Sunday or which is likely to be on next Sunday. Okay, next. Anything else?
That's right. The second, that's right. So when do we say this?
When do you say this? Anyone?
Anyone can join.
When
Give me the.
Yeah. When?
Yes. When?
When I am happy of a company.
When I agree with someone. When I agree with someone.
I say that.
Yes. So when you agree with someone, then you say, that's right. Or you or some other context. Can someone give me some another context? When can we use this? You agree with someone or another situation, another example?
Anyone else? हम तो दिया था ना कुछ. I gave you some situations. I asked Renik, I think this is your first class. I asked Anuradha, I think your phone is broken. So many situations I gave. So can you give any situation?
Any suggestion? Anyone? Kusum, can you add something? Other situation. Think of some other situation.
When I wanted to say yes.
Yeah, when you want to say
Same
yes.
thing. When I am agreeing with someone, I agree with something.
No, other than that, I asked for other than that. When you want to say yes, you said you want to say yes to something, then you can say that's right. And the next statement is, I'm sorry, I'm late. When do you say this? Someone else?
When I feel being late.
When
So
we
you
come
say
late from an.
Yes. Jalpa, can you add?
Yes. When we come late from anywhere.
Apologizing for being late.
Yes. Very good. Apologizing for being very late. Okay. So the next statement is, that would be fine. When do we use this? When do we use this? That would be fine.
Instead of, I mean, ma'am, at the place of okay or yes.
In the place of okay. Okay. And
ma'am?
Yes, it is okay. It is okay. That would be fine. In place of okay, in place of all right, you can use that. And so can I skip?
Yeah.
Can I skip to number C or D?
Anything.
Yeah. And the statement B. What a pleasant surprise! It's a long time since we met. When do we say this?
When we meet someone for a long time.
After a long time.
After a long time. For a long time.
Okay. If I delete this half part, it's a long time since we met. This is like giving you the context, giving you the situation where it is used. Apart from that, just think for a moment, it is not there. It's a long time since we met. It is not there. You just have this statement, what a pleasant surprise. When do you use that?
Meet someone unexpectedly.
Yes, when you get something unexpectedly. Very good, very good. And you are pleased about that. Who said that actually? Even I want to know.
Who said that? Meeting someone unexpectedly? Who is that?
Kusum.
Kusum.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Okay, ma'am. Priyanka, Lopamudra, and I will go to your house and let us see whether you say that or not. Okay. After the lockdown, we will visit your house. I want to see whether you really say that or not. Or you might say, how
We are getting sound problem.
Yeah, who is getting?
someone's TV is on.
Yeah,
Some
whose TV is
background
on?
noise is there.
Yes,
Yeah,
background noise.
anyone TV is on, either move to a different room because you're using phone. Someone's TV is on, move to a different room, or switch off the TV or move to a different room. You're getting, since you're using phone, even I with laptop, I'm in a separate place, so you don't get noise. So anyone who is a TV is playing, either you switch off the TV or you go to a different room. Okay. Then, if children are shouting, I know it is Pratibha. When children are shouting, I know it is Pratibha. Okay, then next one.
One more thing. I see a participant, Munia, who has not responded at all. Munia, can you explain us the last statement? Could you wait for some time, please?
Yes, ma'am. What is
And
it?
could you wait for some time, please? The last one, number R. When do we use this? Give us a situation.
When I have a phone call, so we say him
When
or
you have
her,
a phone call.
always
Phone call about what? Yeah, say that.
when we say someone to forward.
No.
When
What
you
you're saying
say
is the
someone
statement was
to
very
wait.
good. You are saying that it was quite okay. Maybe someone is making you a phone call and calling you to come outside the house and meet you. Then you can call.
Right.
Wait for some
Right.
time. Your situation was going to be correct. You're getting
Yes,
a phone call
that is it.
from your friend that I'm here. Could you come and meet me for 5 minutes? So you say, could you wait for some time, please? Or that you can.
That's okay. That is also okay.
Or you can
And there
say
is
that.
also one more situation where you can use this. When, say, in a job interview, you are asked something which you do not remember at that moment. You need maybe 2-3 seconds to think about it, and you need to buy time for yourself. And I will get the answer. Could you wait for some time? And you buy time for yourself, actually. And then you say. That is
When
also
you want time for something.
you want time for something, for some thinking purpose. Could you wait for some time? Or maybe you want to draw something and explain. Then you take some time for yourself. You draw it and then explain. You could use it there also, sir. Right?
Yeah. I'm coming to your house and asking for a cup of coffee. So could you wait for some time, please? अब जाके बनाना पड़ेगा ना? तब तक?
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes.
अरे practical situation बोलो जल्दी समझता है लोग. Okay. So I'm disconnecting the meeting. Okay, I'm ending the meeting. Anyone else wants to say something? Pratibha, anything you want to say?
Okay, sir. No problem,
Kalpa,
sir.
thank you for joining us. Again, tomorrow we will join.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And Anuradha, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I'm ending. Education এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছিস না? হ্যাঁ?
হ্যাঁ স্যার লাস্ট কথাগুলো শুনতে পেলাম।
লাস্ট কথা মানে এবার আমি জাস্ট একটা 1 সেকেন্ড বলছি, আগে তো তুমি ভয়েস দিয়ে করতে, তো এখন ভিডিও দিয়ে করছো, তোমার অপিনিয়নটা জানতে চাইছি।
Sir, I'm feeling different well.
You are feeling different. Is it মানে better or worse?
Better.
Better. ভিডিও কল দিয়ে অনেক ভালো হয়। ওই জন্য সে বলে তোমাদের জুমটা ডাউনলোড করতে বলে তো আমি 10-15 খানা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ পাঠিয়েছি, তারপরে তো পাঠিয়েছি। Okay, so I'm ending the meeting. Goodbye.
Sir.
Bye bye.
Meet you again. What do you say?
Bye, sir.
Meet you again.
Thank you.
Say that.
Bye,
See you again next day.
Meet you again tomorrow at 3:30.
See you.
See you again.
tomorrow.
See you again. See you again
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
3:30. And particularly we thank Loka Mudra and Priyanka.